Hi.
Hi! I can't tell them what we're doing?
We're doing the boyfriend tag.
You're so like...
I don't want to do this.
Why?
Because I feel awkward.
I'm gonna do it anyways.
Okay.
No one's looking at you because we're in a house.
The viewers.
Viewers. There's probably not gonna be that many.
I mean, come now, babe.
Okay.
What questions do you have?
How did we meet?
Through football, because I play football and your dad is the varsity coach and I'm on JV, so I don't have him yet, but we were at a team barbecue and you decided to come up to me and start talking to me because I was all alone at a table eating by myself.
I look so white. Anyways, what's my favorite color?
Green.
Yeah. Okay. How long did you know me before you asked me out? It doesn't have to be exact because I don't remember. Exactly.
Probably like 3 months. Because we met in... what?
August, September, October. That's 3 months. So 3
So like 3 months.
I'm answering a question for you. Not supposed to do that. Okay. What's my favorite hair length on myself?
Short.
How short?
That short.
Okay. How long have we been dating?
Almost 9 months. It'll be 9 months in 7 days or 6 days.
You don't
I don't know. I don't know what date it is today.
You don't even know.
I don't know the date.
Okay. How tall am I?
4'11".
4'11 and 3/4.
No, that's a lie.
You're a horrible boyfriend.
That's a lie.
Okay. When was our first kiss?
At homecoming on October 25th. At like the end, the last like 10
At
minutes.
11 o'clock.
Because I was nervous. You have any more questions, babe?
Yeah. What's your favorite memory?
Of us?
Yeah.
Probably homecoming, because that's where I asked you out, and I was really, really nervous for that. And I remember I asked you if you wanted to go to it, and you said yeah, but I thought that I should also ask your dad, since he's...
You asked my dad first, didn't you?
No. Just remember, I put it off until last minute. I thought I should ask your dad, because he's like kind of my coach, even though he's not my coach yet. I thought I should ask your dad, and I put that off to the last minute.
Just like... after you asked me out, and you're like, wait, don't tell anybody, because I have to ask your dad, and it took like a month or two to ask my dad.
What's my favorite color?
Black.
Okay.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What's my favorite band and genre?
Mm-hmm.
Or my favorite
band?
artist?
Machine Gun Kelly, and it's rap. Seriously? What is it?
Tupac.
Oh my god, he's dead though.
So? You could argue if it was Tupac or Machine Gun Kelly. It's one of those two. Wiz Khalifa's up there. What did you think when I first told you I liked you? I sent you that long paragraph over text because I couldn't...
I didn't really like you back. I thought you were cute and nice, but I didn't like you back, and yeah. So, but I thought it was cute that you told me.
I thought I got friend zoned because you were like, "Aw, that's so sweet."
I mean,
Thank you.
I kind of, like, I thought you were cute and I had, like, a baby crush on you, but I didn't actually, like you enough to date you yet.
Wow, thanks. What's your favorite sport to watch that I play?
My favorite sport to watch?
No, what's your favorite...
What's my favorite sport to watch you play?
Yes.
Football,
wrestling, or track?
Probably track.
Really?
Yeah, because I get to participate, because I run track. And also because you're least likely to get hurt in track than you are in football and wrestling.
What do you think my worst trait is?
Your worst trait? Oh, that's what the other one. Okay.
Yeah, what do you think the worst, most, like, annoying thing I do is?
Either lollipop.
No, I'm talking about, like...
Oh, you get a stuffy nose, like, every night. Every night. I just hate the sound it makes.
That's the worst trait that I have.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
I have nothing worse.
You open car doors, you pay for dinner, you give me piggyback rides, you cuddle, we watch Netflix, and we nap. None of that sounds bad to me.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
What about, do you like my hair in a mohawk when it's up, down, or do you like my old hairstyle?
I like short mohawks, but once it gets long, then I like your old hair better.
Wow, so you don't like my mohawk where it is right now?
I mean, it's okay. I just
It's
like it
okay.
as much as when it's short, because then it's all in your face. And I like to see your
Well,
eyes.
if I got the front cut a bit, then
That's fine.
okay. What's my birthday?
January 18th,
There we go.
2000.
You had to pause a bit there, babe.
When's my birthday?
August 8th, 1999.
How many months older am I? Without counting. You're counting in your head.
No, I'm trying to think, like almost 7?
5.
February, March, April, May, June, July, August.
No. August, September, October, November, January. You count from my birthday to your birthday because I'm older than you. That's 5 months and 10 days.
Oh, thanks, babe. What did I get you for Christmas? Other than drawing a card.
Oh, you got me a football ornament. It was like this big. It's on my wall.
Mm-hmm.
What did I get you for Christmas?
Oh, I mean, it's right up there.
Oh, I got you a penguin.
You made me a little penguin with our picture in it.
What did I get you for Valentine's Day?
I don't think you got me anything,
Yes,
did
I
you?
did.
I know you made me a card.
I did. It's
Yeah.
your teddy bear.
That was Valentine's Day?
Yeah.
That was
It has
Easter.
a heart.
Yeah, it's right there. I thought that was
Says,
Easter.
I love you.
Oh, I knew that. I remembered that.
And when I bought it, it was facing this way, and it was hooked to both hands. And I was like, wow, this is stupid, so I just cut it. And now he's like this.
What's the best trait you think I have? Like, not physically, but like something I do.
Physically, it's your eyes.
What about something I do?
I know, you're just nice. You're a good person.
I'm an asshole to everyone else.
Yeah, but I'm not everyone else. So...
What did you think about dating a freshman? Because you're a year older than, or you're a
grade
class,
level
a grade.
older than you.
What did you think about dating a freshman when you first
I don't care.
thought about it?
My sister did
'Cause
it.
I know, but there was one time that I remember I was sitting on the bench. It was at a varsity game, so I'd come out to see you after because you're the water.
Continue.
You said, I heard you talking with your sister, and she said something about freshmen, and you were like, oh, I would never date a freshman, and I was sitting next to you. This was after I told you that I liked you, and at that point, you had said that you liked me too.
Yeah.
So you said, oh, I'd never date a freshman, and I was
mean-
sitting next to her like, well, I'm kind of a freshman there, babe.
And I never really considered you one, though.
Why?
I don't know, because you're not irritating.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome, babe.
What's my favorite thing? What's my favorite food?
A burger.
No, you know this.
What do you mean?
You know this. Once I tell you, if you'll be like, wow.
Cheesecake?
No,
What, your favorite food?
we always get it.
Hot wings. What's my favorite food?
You never told me.
I told you
Oh,
last
yes,
night on the phone.
mint chocolate chip ice cream.
From where?
You never told me that.
Yes, I did.
I guarantee you.
31 flavors.
Fuck. I
did
wanted to
tell
say
you.
that, but that's Baskin Robbins, 31 flavors.
Yeah. I told
What's
you.
your favorite gift that I've gotten you?
My teddy bear.
It's a monkey, but
It's a teddy bear. It doesn't
it's
have
a
a
monkey.
tail. It is a teddy bear. What's my favorite dog?
Rosie.
No.
In my house?
Jersey is my favorite, but Rosie's cute. She's like a little weenie. Little wiener dog.
Over
Ooh,
here.
natural hair color. That was right.
What's
in
my
the
favorite
ear.
video game? I tell you. You say. You always say. Oh, you'll. I'm stuttering. You'll be like, oh, what are you doing? And I'll say playing video games. And you'll say what?
Oh.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah. What's my favorite animal?
Unicorn?
A real one.
You were talking about baboons yesterday.
Baboons aren't my favorite. But
Dog?
No, monkeys.
Same. Baboons are monkeys.
Yeah, but I like all of the monkeys, not just baboons. What is my age?
15.
You're
not 16 yet.
I am 15 and 11 months.
What did we do for my birthday?
What do you mean?
What did we do? We went
out to dinner at the Cheesecake
We did
Factory.
something else.
On your birthday?
Yeah.
Did we actually go
No,
outside?
Yeah, that. I'm not saying that. Went to the movie.
Oh, yeah. We went to American Sniper, whatever that was called. Forgot about that. That was a good movie. I was sad. What did we do on my birthday?
It's not your birthday yet, but we're going to a wedding for one of your dad's old football players from the other school.
We're going to a wedding, and I get to take pictures for them.
I
get to take
carry
their
around
wedding
the
photos.
camera equipment.
Yeah, but my dress is really pretty.
I get to carry camera equipment.
My dress is really pretty. It's black, and it has a little corset in the front. Focus. We were too white, and I had to focus it.
How dare you!
What would you do if I deleted this and said, okay, babe, we're restarting?
What was your question?
What if I deleted this and said, okay, babe, we're restarting?
No, we're not.
Yeah,
doing
we
that.
are.
No.